Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain a trial box. So in trial box, so many lenses are there. So today I am going to explain how many types of lenses are there and why it is there. Okay. So let's see. So guys, this side is the plus side, this side is the minus side. So in different kind of boxes, there will be different kind of color of the glasses. So to differentiate which side is the plus side and which side is the minus side. So here we can see the white one is the plus side and this yellow kind of thing is the minus side. Okay, but in some it is the black or something it will be the red. So different these things will become in the different boxes. Okay, so now I am going to explain how many lenses are there and the power and the difference between the power. Okay, so in the plus side and minus side both the spherical, this is the spherical. So we have the holding thing, so it's saying that it's a spherical power, and it is also showing the plus sign, or this side will show the minus side. Okay, like this, the minus side. Okay, and this will be the cylinder power, because here one marking is there, so it's showing the axis, so we can rotate and we can put as per the requirement. So this is the cylinder lenses, so plus cylinder, this is the minus cylinder, and this is plus spherical and this is minus spherical. Okay, and we having the prism over here, and this side there is so many slots of lenses over there. I am going to explain one by one. Okay, so here we have power from 0.12 till plus 20 diopter, and similarly is there in the minus side also. So the difference between the power between one lens to other lens, from 0.25 till 4, the difference between the power is 0.25. From 4 to 6, the difference is 0.5 diopter. From 6 to 14, the difference is 1 diopter, and from 14 to 20, the difference is 2 diopter. Okay, so why it is like that? If you are going to do the refraction, if you are doing the refraction, so you can see most of the cases we will get the lesser power, will not get the higher power in most of the cases. So that's why the difference is lesser in the lower power and difference is higher in a higher power. Okay, because the patient is less on a higher side. Similarly is there in a cylinder also. Here also the power starts in cylinder from 0.12 till 6 diopter, and the difference from 0.2 to 4 diopter is 0.25 diopter, and from 4 to 6 is 0.5 diopter difference. Okay, now let's see here we have prism over here. Okay, so whenever we are doing refraction, if the patient is having any kind of distorted eye, okay, or a squint eye, so in that kind of cases we have to use these lenses. So we have prism from 0.5, like it's a 0.5 till 12 diopter. Okay, 12 prism diopter. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 and 12, like that. Okay, now let's see this side. So it's written over B and B. So B and B means 2 blocker will be there, because we having 2 eyes, so 2 blocker. Okay, now similarly we having red this side and the green this side. Okay, so it is mentioned over here R and G, so R for red and G for green. Then we having S and P, so S for slit, so we having slit lenses. These lenses use is whenever we are having just suppose higher power of refractive error. So in that cases, if while doing retinoscopy, if you are not able to get it, so with the help of slit we can do the refraction on that kind of patient and we can get a power. Now this side we are having P for pinhole. So in pinhole we are doing while we are taking refraction or while doing the calculation of how much power we can achieve or how much vision we can achieve. Okay, so this pinhole we are having one small hole in this. Now there is M. Okay, M for Maddox rod. Okay, so a Maddox rod is there. So this is also we are using to find out the deviation of the eye. And then there is a black. Okay, so this is the lenses. It's a plano. So both sides we having one plano lenses also. So plano lenses used in just suppose we having the patient and just suppose they are a malingering kind of small kid. Okay, so in malingering patient we can put that plano power, and while putting, if they are telling yeah vision is improved, so we can find out they are malingering actually. Okay, now we having this is JCC. So JCC also we have to keep in the boxes itself. So by doing a reflection, we can use this JCC to find out the exact cylinder power and spherical power. Then we having the trial frame. Okay, so trial frame. This is the trial frame. So we having different slot of trial frame. Okay. So I am going to explain in the next video what is the use of the different slits and the detail about the JCC. All the principle of these lenses like Medox rod, pinhole, red and green lenses, like this all lenses I am going to explain in the next video. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and comment. Okay, thank you so much.